Mambata, and you are watching Student TV.
Watching Student TV.
You are watching Student TV.
Is Student TV.
Hi, this is Tusombedu, and you're watching Student TV.
Hello, what's up? My name is Jessica Ngosi, and you're watching Student TV.
What's up? My name is Rorosang Tandekiso, and you're watching Student TV.
Hi guys, this is Amanda Black, and you're tuned in to Student TV.
Watching Student TV. Nisithanda kanjani? Sibathela induku. Danke.
What's up, guys? This is Art Child, the African rockstar, and you're watching Student TV.
What's up? This is M, the refugee, and you're watching Student TV.
Hola, Professor Profile, Scala Chesme. Student TV.
Hey, what's up? My name is Miss Cosmo, and you are tuned into Student TV.
What's up, everybody? This is your girl, DJ Cindo, and you are watching Student TV, baby. We are in our...
Wala bafethu uDlanta Mshunqisi uhleli la ku Student TV ingathi lento. Yes bafethu ngisakhona ngutata Mloyi sekuyisekuseni bafethu kodwa hayi sisaphapheme thina u2019 bafethu lo esikuona, and next to me bafethu umlingisi and actor bafethu usebuyile kuzalo. Uyazi abantu mawukidemand nje uyabuya bayakuthanda bhuti wami. Siyazi ukuthi abantu bayakuthanda wenza ngani vele or what is it?
Iqiniso leli ngizokutshela lona. Futhi ngeke lishintshe. uNkulunkulu
Bafethu
nomthandazo.
Ndizwileke bafethu uNkulunkulu nomthandazo. Keep the faith bafethu. Psalms 23 wangitshela uma wami bafethu. Bhuti wami siyabona ukwi-Effect Durban Rocks. Awusitshele nje wena as an actor mhlambe yini aduyibhekile lana, what inspired or what interested you lana kwi-Effect Durban Rocks?
Yabona mfowethu into ebalekile ukuthi nje into engibele ngiyibone kuqala ukuthi iKwaZulu Natal specifically iTheku kumele lidlobale ngazo zonke izikhathi. So mekunento enzakalayo kumele sonke siphume ngobuningi bethu sisupporte. Nangu no 2019 isufikile kumele siqhubeke sisupportane sodwa zonke izinto ezizenzayo sisupporte siphume ngobuningi bethu ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ile nto ebalekile abantu abakhona ade beperforma, abantu abakhona bazo supporta, abantu abakhona bazo enjoya, abasuka ko Goli ko Cape Town all over Africa abalana. Siyababonga nakade bese stage ba enjoyile bonke. Okubalekile nje ukuthi sonke silana kodwa futhi kumele sonke sibelana sonke isikhathi.
Yes, and now speaking about your craft kuzalo and your career kuzalo, awusitshele mhlambe yini esazoyibona nje kuwena la kuzalo, yini osazofika ushukumise ngayo nje kuzalo mhlambe ungasitshela usithi nje usithi va nje usinike ispice kancane.
Yabona mfethu into ezokwenzeka izinto ezi-interesting ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kwamina ngikwazi ukuthi kutshele zonke ukuthi kanjani. Kodwa izinto ezikwenza ukuthi ujabule njengomlandeli, njengombukeli, njengomsupporti, sibonge futhi support esithola ngazo zonke izinkathi. So into ezokwenza nje ukuthi abantu bajabule kube mnandi ngaso sonke isikhathi. Le nto ibalekile kodwa okubaleka kakhulu kunalokho ukuthi angibonge ukuthi banginikeze ithuba abalandeli nababuki beshow kuzalo. Ukuthi bangisupporte, nothi bangidinge, nothi banginikeze le space and opportunity and time ukuthi ngenze into engiyithandayo lengiphiwe uNkulunkulu. Ngiyacela ukuthi niqhubeke njalo ngoba ikusasa silazi. Kodwa into engicela yona namhlanje ukuthi niqhubeke njalo nisupporte ngoba isupport yenu ibalekile, iyona esenza ukuthi sibe la sikhona namhlanje.
Yes bafethu, so ngamanye amazwi ubonga uNkulunkulu nabalandeli bafethu ngoba yinina bafethu enenza ukuthi abantu abagrow ama-artists agrow kanjena njengoba ekuleli zinga. And lastly mfethu awusitshele ke manje ke tell us mhlambe singakuthola kanjani kuma social networks, abantu bafuna ukwazi ukuthi wena bakuthola kanjani ngoba siyazi khona abantu manje ababukayo bathi hayi yabona ke lo ngiyacrasha kuyena. Sikhuluma amantombazane ke bangakuthola kanjani ke kuma social networks? Bakujahe kahle.
Ubonga Dlamini _ Bonga Dlamini _
Bonga Dlamini _ bafethu, the man from uzalo uyazenza izinto zenzeka. Asimbuzanga ngama resolution akhe. Siyazi ke ukuthi bafethu ke abantu bayawenza ama resolution abanye bangawafezi kodwa ke uStudent TV uzofeza. Mhlawumbe asikubuze, what are your New Year's resolution?
Ngoba sengibonile ukuthi abantu bayangithanda nami sengiacceptile nothi uNkulunkulu ngithanda ngaphezulu kwabantu. Ngizoqhubeka ngale yona umdali nabantu kuphela.
Nazo ke bafethu qhubeka uthanda abantu. iStudent TV nathi siyabathanda abantu, siyabathanda amafans. Sesiyahamba ke Tate Mloyi, keep on lowing, don't forget to subscribe. Sesiyahamba anyuka amagama, siyahamba thina hayibo.
Watching Student TV. Nisithanda kanjani? Sibathela induku. Danke.